So in this video, we are going to learn how we can do validation with the help of flow and checkbox field, and also using validation rule. Right, so combination of three, we're gonna implement our requirement. So let's take a requirement, and it's like don't allow users to create new opportunity if the selected account on that opportunity already have an open opportunity. Means if this Acme account already have an open opportunity, as we can see here it is, then don't allow another opportunity to be created under this account. But once this opportunity is marked as closed won or closed lost, then it should allow to create a new opportunity. So for that, let's get started. First, we have to go to opportunities and gear icon, edit object, fields and relationship, new field, and it should be a checkbox field. Next, so we are gonna use that in our validation rule. So it's gonna be flow validation, right? Unchecked, and then visible for all profiles. And then I don't want to use it on any kind of page layout because it will be used behind the scenes in validation rule. That's done, right? We have created just a normal flow validation checkbox field. Then we have to say we have to create a validation rule. Let's create it, and it is a very simple one. Let's create open opportunity already exist, right? This is the name, and in here I'm just gonna use what we have created, flow validation, this checkbox. If this is true, then throw error. Okay, so till now we have just said if this checkbox is checked, then throw error, and the error message is you cannot create new opportunity, right? And we are gonna say why, because the account selected in this opportunity already have an open opportunity, right? And then we're gonna say kindly close that opportunity first and then create new opportunity under this account, right? So we are saying only one open opportunity is allowed per account, and it's going to be top of page, error message, and done. So we have created two things. One is flow validation field and then an validation rule. Now we have to create a flow. So let's go to flow and create a new flow. And I'm going to select record triggered, right? Create. And the object is, I want it to be fire on opportunity, right? And whenever a record is getting created, then okay, the condition, and I'm gonna say condition is account ID is null, false, means there should be an account ID, right? And I'm gonna select fast field updates because I want it to run before the opportunity is created, right? So we have to validate it first, and then we're gonna throw error, so we don't allow user to create opportunity, right? That's why I'm selecting fast field updates, and done. Finally, what we're gonna say, we're gonna click plus, and we have to get record, right? We have to find records. I'm gonna say get uh, opportunities, okay? And I'm gonna let you know why I am getting opportunities. So let's search for opportunity here, and the condition is the account ID in opportunity should match with the currently creating record, right? The record which is getting created, new records account ID, means if that opportunity which already have an account and we are selecting the same account in the new opportunity, right? So that both of them matches, so we are getting all related opportunities of the selected account, simple as that. And then I want to check another thing, if the stage name of that opportunity is does not equals to closed one, right? So I'm saying account and also I'm gonna say stage name does not equals to close lost, right? So only get those opportunities where account ID meets currently creating records account ID, right? The user is creating opportunity and user has selected account, that account's ID. And those opportunities should not be closed and should not be means won or lost, right? So all other opportunities and only get the first record. We can select both, no issue in anyone, right? I'm gonna just select first one because if there is any one record, then we are gonna throw error, right? If there is even one open opportunity under the selected account, we're gonna throw error and done. And finally we're gonna say check. So we're gonna say decision to check if opportunity already exists or not, right? And the label should be already exist and default outcome is no opportunity found, right? So if there is no opportunity found, then we don't want to do anything. We want to allow user to create that opportunity, right? But if there is already an opportunity and that is not close won and close lost, then we want to throw error. So if there is already exist and the condition should be if this one is null false, right? So it means if get opportunities, right? We are getting some kind of opportunity means there is a related opportunity which is not close won or close lost. So that's why I'm checking it. This decision so already exists and no opportunity found. We only want to do if there is opportunity already exists, then we want to throw error. So how we can throw error? We can say assignment, right? Assign checkbox field, right? This is the name, and we are gonna mark true this record which is getting created, right? It is not created, it is getting created because we are in a before flow. We are saying mark this flow validation to true. This is where the magic happens, right? So we are marking this flow validation to true. So when this flow will run, if any opportunity found under the same account, it's gonna mark this field as true. And after this flow, our validation rule will fire, right? And validation rule will check if this field is true or not. If this is true, then it's gonna throw error. And done. This is our flow and we are done. Validate, sorry, allow only one open opportunity per account, right? So this is my flow name, save, and let's activate it. And now let's test our all of the things like flow, checkbox field, and validation. So here, as you can see, this Acme account already have an opportunity and that opportunity stage is not closed won or closed loss, right? So if we try to create a new opportunity with this account, it should throw us error. Let's see. Let's create this one ABC, for example, close date anyone, account name, and any stage name, doesn't matter. So it should throw us error. Let's see. See, it is showing us throwing us error. You cannot create a new opportunity because the account selected in this opportunity already. That error is coming from validation rule. But let's see if I change the already existing opportunity under this account, stage 2, closed won or closed lost, anything. And now let's go to opportunities. Now, although this account already have an opportunity, but that is not open, right? It is already closed. So now it should allow us. So again, same ABC, anything, and again Acme. But now we know this Acme account have an opportunity, but that is closed. So it should allow. See, now it allowed us. So that was how we can use flow plus validation rule plus checkbox field to do this type of validation. I hope you guys learned something.